Hi everyone, I'm Luke, and welcome to the Ontime tutorial series. Today we're going to talk about how we install Ontime on your Windows machine. Let's get started. First, we're going to go to getontime.no. This will take us to the Ontime landing page. We have two options, either download for free or you can sign up for Ontime Cloud, a fully hosted and pre-set up solution. In a later video, we'll discuss the differences between these, but for now, let's install on our Windows machine. First click Download for Free, Download for Windows, and that will immediately start to download. Now that we have that downloaded, let's go to our Downloads folder, find ontime-win64.exe, double-click. I'm going to install this for all users. Now we just click Yes. I'm going to leave it in the default program files. Click Install, and then click Finish. Now we're going to hit the Windows key on our keyboard, search Ontime. I'm running a beta version, so I have an extra dash pre-release on it, but you'll see Ontime come up in the menu. Here we are in the Ontime app. If this is your first time installing the app, this demo is loaded with milestones, groups, and events to give you an idea of how you can set up your rundown. If you're ready to start building your rundown, we have two ways that you can clear out the data. On the top right, we have Clear All. If we clear all, this will remove all milestones, groups, and events from the rundown. All of the custom fields and names in the demo will remain. To create a brand new project, go to the top left to the Settings cogwheel. In the Settings, under Project, click Create. Give your project a name and click Create Project. Go to Project Data, and here we can enter a description, project info, and enter a URL displaying a QR code. This information will be shown on some of the Ontime views. Once we've entered our information, go to the top right, click Save. To exit out of Settings, click the X. Now we have Ontime installed and a fresh project so we can start to build. If you'd like more information on how to set up and use Ontime, feel free to click the link below. This will bring you to the documentation. Or check out our other tutorial videos. That's it for today. See you next time.